Welcome. In this tutorial, we will guide you through how to fix the black screen issue on Pokémon Go. Let's get started. The first thing first you should try is to restart Pokémon Go. Close the app completely and reopen it. This can often solve minor glitches, including the black screen issue. Sometimes the issue can be caused by using an outdated version of the game. To fix this, check for updates in your App Store or Google Play Store. If there is an update available for Pokémon Go, tap Update to install the latest version. After updating, open the game again and see if the black screen issue is gone. If this doesn't work, try restarting your phone. A simple reboot can clear up any temporary software glitches and might fix the black screen problem. If you are on an Android device, try clearing the cache of the Pokémon Go app. Go to your device settings, select Apps or Applications, App Management, find Pokémon Go, then tap Storage and choose Clear Cache. This will not delete your data but can help resolve issues with the app. But keep this in mind that it's clear cache, not clear data. Pokémon Go requires a stable internet connection to load properly. If your Wi-Fi or mobile data signal is weak, it can cause a black screen. Make sure you are connected to a strong and reliable network. If none of these above steps work, you might need to reinstall the game. Uninstall Pokémon Go from your device, then go back to the App Store or Google Play Store to download and reinstall the app. This will remove any corrupted files and give you a fresh installation. If you are still having issues, your last option is to contact Pokémon Go support. Visit the official Pokémon Go Help Center, explain your problem, and they should be able to assist you further. And that's it. You have now learned how to fix the black screen issue in Pokémon Go. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.